Hi there guys, it's Joel here from Aussie Chart Trends. Today's market update is for Monday the 1st of October 2012. Today we're going to check out the asx200 as per usual, but before we do that I've just got to remind everyone that aussiecharttrends.com.au and this video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in this video is intended to be used as any form of investment advice. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to make your own decisions regarding your investments. I'm here just to help anyone searching for a practical direction in today's markets. Okay, so let's take a look at the asx200. Here on the daily chart, you can see today's data. We had a fairly volatile day. We had a strong move to the upside and a strong move to the downside, but only to close relatively at the same levels. Let's go take a look now on the hourly chart and just see what this market is doing. On the weekly review, we were discussing about this red trend line, how the markets last Thursday weren't able to get over this red line. Then in Friday's data, we were able to get over this line and hold. Now, when the markets opened up this morning, as you can see, we had this fairly volatile move to the downside and the upside. And then the markets came up to this area of resistance that we were talking about in the weekly review, around the 4,410 area. In fact, we hit today was 4,411. So we came within a point and a half of our resistance area, but that was able to push the markets back down. So guys, for now, we're sort of bound between this 4,411 area, or 4,410, and this bottom ascending channel line. Now, if this bottom ascending channel line breaks, we can expect our next area of support would be down on this area here at 4,360. And I would expect, though, that this bottom boundary line would hold the markets up if we broke this area here. Now, this bottom descending line is around the 4,330 area, but it is descending, so as the market moves along, it depends where the market would hit on that line, of course. So for now, guys, it's fairly a short video today, and because it is a short video, I've decided that I'm going to do an update on a stock. So the stock that we're going to be looking at briefly today is RIO Tinto. Guys, the reason why I've decided to do an update on this stock is I've had a few people email me regarding this stock, and also the fact that it is one of our biggest key role plays in our mining industry. I thought I would do an update on this stock today because if we can see what's going on in the larger cap stocks, well, it could help us in the future to understand what's going on in the small caps. As we can see here, guys, I did post this one on the website. We could be looking at a rather large head and shoulders topping formation. Now, this is not to say how it is, but we've got a clear left shoulder here, a head, and a right shoulder. Now, the right shoulder is a double right shoulder. As you can see, there's two shoulders before we broke this neckline that I've got drawn here on the chart. Now, after breaking this neckline, as you can see, we've bounced on this bottom line here 3 or 4 times now. So this is a descending level of support, and it looks as if Rio Tinto, after returning up to the neckline, it just wasn't able to get past that level again. Now, as we can see, there's like a huge W looking shape, and this could result in a bullish move up. We need to get over this $60 area with a clear break to the upside. If not, we could be looking at a bearish move down. So what we do here is we measure from the head of this pattern, and we just add this onto where the neckline has broken down. Now, this measurement equals down to around the $38 area. This isn't to say that this is how it is, but guys, this is looking fairly toppy, and if we cannot get over this area here, this horizontal line on the chart, well, I would say that Rio Tinto is going to make its move down to this area. Now, Rio Tinto may just come down within this channel. There's nothing to say that the market won't break this bottom channel line, but we have bounced there 3 or 4 times, so I'll give that a little bit of a go as far as support, but I would say that we'll probably be deflating down to around the $38 area. Now, if we get over this area here, then I'll have to look at this stock again. Long-term viewpoint, the top that we had over here in 2007, if we just draw a trend line just simply over these two peaks here, Rio Tinto would then be challenging its long-term downtrend line if we could get over this area here. But that's a ways to go yet. Guys, that's fairly much the update for today. In recap, if we're able to rally on back up, we've got a few areas of resistance to break through here around that 4,410 area. That's fairly much it for today, guys. I'd just like to say thanks, guys, for your support, and I really do appreciate the new subscribers to the channel. And it may take you guys a week or so to catch up on my terminology and my lingo. But when you do understand it, technical analysis can be actually quite an interesting thing. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another fresh daily market update.